Hey guys, Debbie here. I'm coming at you with this little video, and I am taking part in a collaboration hosted by Penny at Penny's Place and co-host by Pat from Start with Pat. Um, the name of the collaboration is Winter Christmas Tier Trade. Um, like a Christmas in Wonderland, you know. Um, I just find out about this collaboration yesterday. You guys can see I still have a tier tray here next to me that was still decorated for fall that I didn't know what to do with it. So I'm gonna take all this stuff out, which I started, and I'm going to try to decorate something for winter, which I already have a couple of things picked out, and I have no idea what I'm going to do. So guys, um, let me post you guys right there. I know when I stand it, you guys won't be able to see my head, but I'm gonna clear this tier tray out, and then I'm gonna come at you with what I'm going to put together. And let's get started. I know I'm kind of far away, but I'm gonna bring you guys close. So guys, I'm using a tree skirt, a red tree skirt that they have like snowflakes and a reindeer and some things on it. I usually decorate this corner here with my grandson, but I'm gonna do it this time by myself. So guys, so far that's what I have, and I'm going to be using this winter scenery, this postcard, which is a vintage postcard that I keep here in this picture frame. I don't know if you guys can see that. So I'm gonna use that one, and I'm also going to be using this one as well. So there, I'm gonna be putting this too in here. Sorry guys, I cannot really see you guys. So, and this is a tier tray that I usually use for my kitchen. So I'm gonna put that one there, and I'm going to put this one up here. See, they tend to slide front. So with that, I'm using things that I have around my house. I'm going to be using this as well with the, colors. I mean, it's Christmassy, but it's also winter, which I like. I'm gonna put this back here. Let's see if I could get this to stay there and this to stay here. It's not gonna be much put on it. I'm also going to be using this little church that I have as well. This is an ornament that I got from the Dollar Tree. So I'm going to be using this one. I don't know, maybe I use it up here. And also I'm going to be using my two winter polar bears. So I think I'm going to use them down here because of the scenery. So I'm going to do that there. I want to put them together. No, I want to put them separate like this to look at each other. And let's see, I don't know what else to use. Let me pause you guys. Let me see what else I can find. Okay guys, I am back, and this is what I came up with. And I'm sitting on the floor. So guys, this is what my top looks like with the little house. Let me turn off the light. Maybe with the light, without the light, you guys can see the stuff better. So there is my postcard with the flowers on the top. And of course, the little house goes there, where it's a little church. It's clear, and that's from the Dollar Tree, and I have the Santa Claus there. And all I have to do after Christmas is pull out the Santa Claus and pull out the Christmas item. But everything else I will leave for all winter. I have also one of my little houses here, the red one. I don't remember when I got this. I don't know if I got them from I got them from Family Dollar, yes. So yeah, guys, remember, this is a collaboration hosted by Penny from A Penny's Place, and Pat is her co-host. Yeah, guys, and then as you guys can see, I have a twist, twist skirt here. I got this for a long time, and I just put a a bowl there, and a bow there, and a snowman in the middle. Well, guys, I'm going to leave it like I always say. Be kind to one another. Don't forget to smile. Overall, stay safe, stay healthy, guys. And remember, God loves you, and Debbie also loves you too. And it will be into the next one. Bye-bye, guys.